Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a cool canvas to use for design or cards or whatever you want to for ad pieces or whatever. We have all these books in here, and the reason I like the books is basically because of the textures that the pages provide. You've seen them maybe on our website or in different places, but what you can do is just crop out the page, and then see, let me make it a little bigger. It's just got this really cool texture on it. And then if I open up a few images, let's just open her and her and her and her, open them all up. I can basically use the book then kind of as my canvas. So I can take and drop all these images onto this canvas. Okay, let's grab another one. Now I have all of these images on the canvas, or at least 3 of them anyway. That'll be enough. You can get the point anyway. So I have all these images on this canvas, and then, well, let's see, what do I want to do with them? I can take them and transform them a little bit so that they're not all the same. If I want to, I can even create a new layer, and let's do this. We've done this several times. If I go to my marquee tool and create just a white box, just with my marquee tool on its own separate layer, I just filled a white box using the marquee tool with white, or fill the box with white. I can now take that and maybe put it behind this layer. Let's try this one up here actually, and create kind of a Polaroid background so that it looks like a Polaroid picture. Now I'm just transforming the box so that it looks like kind of a Polaroid frame on that picture. If I want to, I'll put it right up here underneath. Then I can either leave it like that, or I can merge that layer down so that they're on one layer. So now if I move one, I move the other because they're connected. Or if I don't want to dedicate that so that they're merged, I can link them. And in CS, you just hit this link box and it links whatever layer you have selected. Otherwise, in CS2 or CS3, you actually select the layers and you can go up and link them by going into your options palette and selecting link layers. In any case, I can just use this as a canvas to create whatever I want. And let's say, well, I didn't want this or I didn't want this. I just want this image up here for its own little canvas. I can just again crop that out, crop everything else out. So now I just have this image on the canvas. This is what I'm working with, and maybe that's a Christmas card. Maybe I write her name down here. Maybe I throw a push pin up here, or there's just a million different things you can do using this type of technique and using these pages just for a background or a canvas or whatever else. At least that's what we use them for. And you can print these pieces or you can use it for the web.